Fine, guys. Yeah, while implementation, see this, how to implement, guys. What are the functions you are going to write? Now I will show you the program first. Yeah, what are the implementation you want? I will show you. B tree dot already defined. I will show you just. Okay, I want like this. Yeah, what is the create pre-order, post-order, in order, search total. These all are not required. First one, either create these three functions. We in order, pre-order, post-order. We write, guys. Okay, now you know, right? What is in order, pre-order, post-order? 7. Exit. I want options like that. Yeah, see this. How to write? Program execution starts from main. Right? Program execution starts from main. Yeah, what are the options you want? See this, guys. Printf, tree menu. Yeah, what are the create? Enter. I want to give a message, guys. First tree node you want to create. Yeah, how to create? What are the options required? I will write. First function is enter nodes 0 to stop. Enter nodes and 0 to stop. Okay, enter tree nodes. I will write right. Enter tree nodes 0 to stop. Okay, see this. Yeah, what are the options you want? Take tree, guys. Struct to node. Yeah, what is the node is required? Data, that is int data, struct to node, star left node, comma star right node. Okay, now what is tree menu? See this. Save as dot c extension. What is this tree? B tree, bt dot c. Okay. Yeah, how to create a tree, guys? Now I am going to create tree. Yeah, what it contains? See this. This is a root node. First we have to create a root node. Yeah, every node contains what? 3 fields, guys. What are the 3 fields? This is a data node, left node and right node. Okay, 3 nodes it contains. This is a left node, data node, right node. Okay. Yeah, what is the left node? First, for example, if you enter 10, what is the left and right? This first take as tree node. This is tree is a root node. Consider as root node. First, I will create that node, guys. What is the left defaultly? Right, it is empty, right? That is empty, nothing but a null. Tree node, create a tree node. This is also null, guys. This is also null. Data left to right. Yeah, first I will create a tree node. Can I give alias name for this? Yes. How to give alias name? Type def struct to node. Take a node, guys. Node star tree. Yeah, node star tree, guys. Yeah, what is tree node? We are going to create tree node. Tree equals to malloc of size of node. This is what alias name is the node. Already this node, for example, instead of this, if you want to write struct to student, yeah, right, this is struct to student. Alias name is what? Node, guys, for this. Okay. malloc of size of node. Typecasting required, not required. If you write also, no problem. Yeah, what is that? Node star, alias name node star. Actually, struct student star you have to write. Now tree node is created. Right, left null, right null, and data. Enter the data, guys. Now how to enter the data? First node is a root node. Percentile D, address of tree node. Clear? This is tree node. Yeah, tree left is null. Tree right is null. Tree left is null and tree right is null. Okay, the left node is null, guys. Right node is null. Are you following, guys? This left node is null and right node also null. Yeah. Now what I am going to do? Yeah, we have to enter -1 to stop now. While of read the number, guys. You have to read a number. Int is a number, guys. Okay, number you have to read. While one, what is the one? We have to read a one, guys. While one means always true. Read a number. How many times it reads? Scanf percentile the address of number. Read a number. How many infinite times? If number equals to 0, we have written 0, right? Break, stop this. Yeah, if it is not break, if it is 0, break. Okay. Yeah, see this. You have to enter the numbers, guys. See once I will show you execution. Save. Yeah, once execute. True errors. Tree node. Node. What is a node? This is nothing but a data, guys. One error still. Tree left is a null. Null is undefined symbol. Yeah, tree data. As I am Sampriti. Yeah, what I have to write, guys? As defined. Sorry, as include stdio.h. See this, guys. No one type the program, BST program. Okay, just they will show the output. Listen carefully how I am typing and see. Tree menu, guys. Oh, I did not write the tree menu. I will show you. Enter tree nodes 0 to stop. We can enter 10. Okay, 15, 12, 3, 7. It reads the values now. Yeah, till which number, guys? You have to enter 8 also. 0 to stop. 0 means it come outside. Okay, that is the logic I have written. 0 to stop. Okay, otherwise we have to construct a tree. That option you have to write. Construct a tree. How to tree, guys? Create function. Write a create function. Create tree function. Can I write tree function? Yes, create tree. Send the tree. What is tree and number? We are sending a tree is there. Tree is what? This root node. Tree is a root node. What is the root node, guys? That is 1000 address. Remember, guys, you are sending a root node means that address you are sending. Okay, tree is a 1000 left is null, 1000 right is null, 1000 data is 10, 1000 data is 10. Are you following? 1000 is a reference, 1000 left null, 1000 data is 10, 1000 right is null. Clear? Yeah, you are sending a create tree function. Yeah, what is create tree function? I will write tree menu. You want to write a tree menu. Yeah, see this printf. Now I want to enter. One is what? One is for which one you want to write? Tree menu. Later you can write, or now itself you can write. Okay, create a tree. Just to create tree function I want to write. Okay, tree menu. If you want to display later, you can display. Okay. Now I am not going to display tree display. See this. After this, I want to show you. Yeah, this is you enter right. After this tree menu, I will write here. See this. I will show you the execution also. See tree menu. Yeah, what is tree menu? What are the options? Printf /n. One is in order. /n 2 is pre-order. /n 3 is post order. /n 5 is exit. 4 is exit. Yeah, this is the option. See, once error. What is error? Node. Structure node. Where did you write structure node? Yeah, this is what? Struct node. What is the data type? Struct student, no? Student. Yeah, once execute. Still on error. Create tree function. We have to write a create tree. Yeah, how to write create tree function? I will write, guys. Listen. Void create tree function. Create underscore tree function. What it expects? Node star root. Tree node, right? Root. Take root, comma. Yeah, which one guys? Data. Take one number you are taking. Number, which value you are taking. Already tree is there. Already tree is there. What is tree? You are sending a tree only. Tree and number you are sending. Once execute this, enter tree nodes. Yeah, first 10 I entered. Remaining numbers also you want to enter, you can enter guys. Okay, see this. Enter 10. You are entering the numbers 12, 15, 6, 7. Okay, 20, right? 0 to stop. I entered 0. Tree menu. In order, pre order, post order, and exit. Yeah, write first in order function, guys. How to write in order? Printf. I'm going to write in order function, guys. How to write? Enter your choice. Yeah, we write later. Yeah, what is the choice? Based upon choice, we have to call that function. Yeah, create tree function. I will write, guys. Percentile the address of O. What is O, guys? Option. Integer number comma O. Yeah, what is O? That is tree. Yeah, create tree function. Listen, already tree node is there, guys. Listen carefully. Right, I am going to write this is a, we have, this is a root node, guys. This tree value you are sending tree now, the tree value stored in root. What is root? That is 1000. Yeah, right. Tree value is 1000 you are sending. Okay, now which one we are sending next? This is data is there. What is data? 10. Remember data, but this number is what? Next value you are entering. Okay, why? Because first value stored in tree data, 10 value stored in tree data. Listen carefully. Tree value. Now next value stored in where? Next value stored in number. Now if I enter second number, that is stored in number. Third number, number. Okay, we are sending the number. For example, if I enter 10, 15, I entered 15, or next guys, 10, 7 I entered, next 15 I entered, like this. Next 3 or 4 I entered 3, like this we entered. The first 10, 10 is the tree node. Next 7 you entered, guys. Yeah, what is 7? That 1007 is there. Yeah, what it receives, guys? This function. Root function means 1000. Yeah, number is what? 7. 1000 is what? Root value. Address, that is, number is how much? 7. Yeah, 1007. Now what if I enter 7? 7 is there. Can I access this number? Yes, 1000 data. How to say 1000 data? 1000 data is nothing but we can say like this. Tree data. What is tree data? Tree is 1000. Data is 10. Tree data we can write. Okay, if I write tree data, now it is a tree data. Okay, now compare with this. If conditions, what are the conditions you are going to write? Right now, if number is greater than tree data or not, we have to check it. What are the conditions are there? If number, else if number is less than tree data or not. What are the conditions, guys? Else if, and else, what is else? Duplicate values. Greater than, it's not greater than, less than, what is the other function? We are going to write duplicate values are not allowed. Clear? This is duplicates are not allowed. Clear? Number is greater than tree data, number is less than tree data. For example, 7. 7 is less than. If 7 is less than, you have to arrange which side? This side. Okay, na? Again, two conditions, guys. Null unda leda ante whether it is pointing to next or not. Yeah, two conditions. If it is right now, if root data or root left greater than, right, number is greater than, or number is less than. 7 is less than 10. Now left side, come to this part. Yeah, if check it, if left is root left equals to null or not. If it is null, do something. If it is null, do something else. If it is not null, do something. Yeah, if it is null, what to do, guys? Root left is null. This is a root left, guys. Null. Root left is null. Yeah, if it is a root left is null, what to do? Root left is null, guys. Arrange here itself. Yeah, create a node. This is a node we have to create. This is a new node. I will create a new node, guys. Arrange root left value is what? This new node address. Assign this is a new node. What is a new node? For example, this is 1500. Yeah, if it is 1500, arrange 1500 here. What do you have to write, guys? Root left is new one. Are you following, guys? First create a node. That function you have to write, guys. Root left is null. Are you following, guys? This one, what I have to write? If root left is null, what I have to write? Root left equals to assign root left equals to new one. Yeah, what is new one? Yeah, that's why you have to call create function. Create with the number one function. What is the function? Create node function underscore node function. Yeah, what is the node function? It returns the new node, guys. That new node we are assigning here. Okay, now? Yeah, how to create a new node function? Right, we write. Same, how I am going to write. Are you following, guys? Create node function. This is what? Create tree function. This is create underscore tree function. Yeah, what I have to write? Node star root comma int number. Yeah, if number is greater than this, number is less than, what to do? Number is less than tree data. If number is greater than tree data, if number is less than, right, tree data, what to do? Are you following us? If number is greater than tree data, if number is less than tree data, what to do? Clear, guys? Yeah, if number is greater than, what to do? If number is less than tree data, what to do? Are you following us? How to do this? Yeah. Now we are creating create node function. Create node function. How to write create node function? Underscore node function. What is expecting? Integer number is expecting. Yeah, node, guys. How to create new node? New node equals to, that is declare as global variable. Why global variable? We are using in this one, in this function also. We are using in this function also. Create a new node is a function, right? We have to write new node. How to write a new node? You know, right, guys? Node star malloc of size of node. Okay, na? That is a new node. Yeah, what is new node? Left, new node data equals to number, new node left equals to, new node left equals to null, new node right equals to null. Yeah, this is okay, right? Yeah, if it is a null, new node created, that new node assigned to this. For example, now 1500. Now what it will store, guys? This is pointing to this. Yeah, what is this value, guys? 7. Good. What is this is 7, right? Yes, this is 7. It is a left is null. This is right is null. For example, null it is. This is also null. For example, I entered 3. Assume 15. 15 later 3 I entered. Now check it the 3, guys. What is the root node? Again 1000 only. What is 1000? 10. Yeah, 3 with 10. Yeah, less than. Root left null? No, guys. Previously it is null. Previously it is null. Now it is not null. You have to do. That is else part. What to do, guys? Make it, what to do, guys? Call the function. Now this is, make it this as a root node. Okay, make it this as a root node. How to write, guys? Now we are calling that function. Create a tree function. Call the create tree function with the root what do you write? Root left comma number. What is the root left? Next 1500 or sending 1500. That's all, guys. Simple. If it is a greater than, what to do? If it is a less than, what to do? Okay, now see, once I will write, guys, create node function if number is greater than root data. Check it, guys. First, else if number is less than root data, else duplicates are not allowed. Right, printf. Now check it, guys. If root left is null, what to do? If root left is greater than, no, this is the right. Yeah, we write for left. Yeah, now what you have to write? If root left is equals to null, do something. Else it's not. Write a create node function. How to write create node function, guys? Write a create node of what you have to write with a number. We are sending a number. create number. Yeah, write a root left equals to, what is the root left equals to new1. Yeah, if it is not, call the same function, create tree function, create underscore tree. What is create underscore tree? Root left, we are sending a root left comma again number again, next value. Yeah, same, create tree function, create node also. If root left equals to, I entered 15. When I entered 15, this is check with the greater than or not. If it is greater than, again null condition, we have to write both. Root right, what is the root left, root right equals to root right equals to null, else if it is not right. Yeah, root right is null, guys. What to do? If root right is null, what you have to write? Call create new function, create tree function, create node function, send with the number. Yeah, what you have to write? Root right equals to, now we have to write root right equals to new one. Else part, what is else part? Call the function. How to call the function? Create underscore tree function, create underscore tree function. What you have to send, guys? Root right comma number, root left comma number. Okay, now take that function, guys. What is the function? Create node. How to write it? Create node function. It is expect number. Yeah, new node, create a new node, guys. New node equals to node star mloc of size of node, new one data equals to, what is new one data equals to, what is new one data, guys? Number. New one left equals to null, new one right equals to null. Okay, no? Yeah, call in order, pre-order, post-order functions, guys. Yeah, what is in order, pre-order function, post-order function? Simple. You can write in order, pre-order, post-order functions, guys. Listen carefully. How to write in order, pre-order, post-order function? Simple, guys. While writing is simple. Remember this. This is a void in order function, guys. In order of expect the node star root node. Yeah, this is a in order, pre-order, post-order. Simple, all functions, right? I will show you. This is what? Pre-order. This is post-order. Yeah. Once write a statement. What are the functions, guys? If root not equals to null. Yeah, if it is not null, do something. For all the functions, same, guys. For all the functions, same. What I do, guys? Call this function in order of root left, guys. Simple understanding is writing is root left and root right printf statement. Yeah, root left, root right and printf statement. Yeah, where is a printf? Printf write a percentile d data, root data. Yeah, simple, guys. Write all the functions. How to write? In order of left, in order of right. See, this is pre-order of function, post-order of function. This is a post-order. Yeah, remove this printf function, guys. Remove that printf function. Yeah, this is what? In order of root left. This is what? In order of root left, in order of root right. This is what? Pre-order of root left, guys. This is a pre-order of root left. Yeah, this one you have to write. This is one you have to write anyway. This is a, if root right equals to null. This is what? Post order of left. Post order of left, post order of right. This is what? Here, if root not equals to null. Common code, that's all, guys. Yeah, here, right, what is in order, guys? What is in order? Left to parent, right. Pre-order, parent, left, right. Post order, left to right, parent. Where parent has come, check the parent, guys. Where is the parent? In middle. Where is the parent? First. Where is the parent? Last. Write a printf there in middle, right? This is a printf. Write printf here. Yeah, sorry. That is what is the printf we have written. Printf percentile d root data. Write the root data. Okay, now? Yeah, where is parent has come, right? Parent first, right? Write pre-order for first. Where is post order? Right. Clear? One check it, guys. Simple. In order of root left, printf. In order of root left, pre-order of root left, pre-order of root right, post order of root left, post order of root right. Where printf? Just the printf changed. Okay. Write the same functions there also. Okay, we are going to write as. See these three functions. We'll copy paste there. This is save bt.c. Save this function. Those three functions, guys. I'm going to write three functions. Copy. See copy.c. That function name I have saved. Copy.c. This is right. Take these three functions code. In order, pre-order, post order. Cut. Write these three functions code. After creation, create node, create tree function. After create tree function, simple, guys. Write the logic of these three functions. In order, pre-order, post order. Completed, right? Yeah, we have to select which function you want. Scanf, tree menu, in order, pre-order, post order. Enter your choice. Yeah, you have to select a switch off choice. What is choice, guys? Whoa. Which option you want? In order function you want or case one? What is a case one, guys? Call in order function in order of tree. Break. Case two. Pre-order of tree. Case three. Break, guys. Case three. What is case three? Post order of tree. Break. Case 4, exit of 0. Okay, see this. You want again and again this, keep it in do while. Okay, want again and again. Now O option also I have taken. This only till here you want. Tree menu you want, no? Keep it in do while. Option less than or equals to while of O less than or equals to 4. Do it this. Save, once again save. Compile. Yeah, 2 errors we got. Yeah, new one. Declare new one as node star new one. New node. Still one error. Pre-order function mistake you have written. In order, pre-order, post order. While calling. Yeah, pre and order we call. Okay. Enter the number, guys. 10, 15, 17, 10, 15, 17, 12, guys. 12, 7, 7, 5, 8. 0 to stop. In order, 5, 7. Either it is correct or not. It is alphabetical order you got or not. Yes, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. That is in order, guys. Enter your choice. Pre-order this is. 2 pre-order. Enter your choice. Press 3. Post order. This is a enter your choice. 3 post order. Tree menu. 4 exit. Yeah, you want to delete this code, you can stop. Clear screen. Once execute, enter the numbers 10, 15. It will delete, no. 3, 17, 3, sorry. Duplicates are not allowed, it is showing, right? 9, 15, 15 already you entered. 21, 0 to stop. Yeah, in order, it is deleting, no, 4, because clear screen you have written. Yeah, before deleting, you have to give that option. In order, pre-order, post-order function, you have to give that option, guys. Or before enter get ch, give a get ch, then it will ask for 2, 10, 7, 8, 3, 15, 12, 20, 0 to stop, 1 in order, 2 pre-order, 3 post-order, 4 exit. Okay, na? Yeah, first write, guys. I will explain once again. Write this. Write quickly. I think directly I can send a file. I am sending that file. Yeah, I got it right, that file. Yeah, guys, next try in binary search tree how to delete a node. This is a task for you. How to delete a node. Next next topic is what? Graphs. Next topic is what? Graphs. What, Agila? I will give a chance to you. You can speak. Yeah, Akila, tell me. I have said no. Everyone, bt.c, that file. Didn't you get? Yeah, next topic is graphs, guys. What is a graphs? Yeah, where to use these trees, graphs, everything, guys? Google Maps you have, right? Google Maps. Yeah, in right, you have Swiggy, Zomato, how it shows shortest path algorithm in networks. Networks also, guys. You know, right, how router works. Routers, your LAN connection, everything we used in graphs. Graphs we used in all kind of applications. Yeah, write some notes about graphs. Yeah, write some notes, guys. Graph is a nonlinear data structure. In next class, we'll finish all the topics, guys. Right, graph is a nonlinear data structure where elements are arranged in sequence, non-sequential order, not sequential. Right, graph is a non-linear data structure where elements are arranged in non-sequential order. It contains set of points known as nodes or vertices and set of links known as edges or arcs. I'll give a diagram. First write Yeah, complete. Draw the diagram, guys. Yeah, this is a diagram. Here, what are the vertices? What are the edges? Right, V guys, vertices. V equals to, yeah, what are the vertices? A comma, B comma, C comma, D comma, E. Yeah, E, edges means, what are the edges, guys? Now we can say, guys, edges are, AB is a edge. AB is a edge. Next, can you say BA? Yes, we can say BA. AB, AC. Can I say AC? Yes. Can I say BE? Can I say BD? Yeah. Can I say DE? Yeah. Any other? CD. CD is there? Yes. CD. DE is there? Yes. DE. BD. Yes. These are edges, guys. What is G? Nothing but a. What is Z? Is nothing but a V comma V. Right? Vertices comma edges. Yeah. A graph can be represented. It's a combination of vertices and edges. Okay, now write our vertices and edges, guys. V values and edges also. Yeah, right, guys. Types of graphs. Directed graphs, undirected graphs, weighted graphs, complete graphs. Yeah, right. Directed graphs, guys. Diagram. Previously, whatever you have drawn, that is a directed graph. Sorry, undirected graphs only. Directed graphs. What is directed graph? Write these four first. Completed, directed, undirected, weighted, and complete graphs. This is what this is also undirected graphs only. For example, give the direction like this. Yeah, this is directed graph, guys. Draw the diagram. Weighted graphs. For example, weighted graphs. What is weighted graph? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, if I give 4, this is distance. For example, distance between these two, 2 kilometers. Any units, guys, here? Units, 4. Yeah, this is a undirected graph. You know, right, guys, in route map, single direction, bi-direction, you know, see, two ways it shows, right? For example, Google Maps, while going Google Maps, how it knows that is a single direction or nothing but a one way or two way? How it knows? That is because of undirected graphs and directed graphs only. Okay, you can go from 4 to 2. We can't go from 2 to 4 because it's a single directed graphs. This is weighted graph. What is weighted? Distance between 1 and 2. 2 units or 3 units like this. For example, if I write arrows, that is a directed weighted graphs. This is directed weighted graphs. Write these graphs, guys. Completed, right? Yeah. Representation of graphs. We can represent the graphs two ways: adjacency matrix and adjacency list. Yeah, guys. For example, yeah, write this, guys. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, write this A, B, C, D. Yeah, adjacency matrix, guys. How to write adjacency matrix? Write this is a right matrices, guys. A, B, C, D, E. Right this side also. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, A to A distance 0. Yeah, you can give direction also, guys. Sizes also. If I give 1, 2, 3, then you can write that lengths also. Okay, if there is no length also, then 1 no 0. A to B, is it possible? Yes, 1. A to C, is it possible? A to C, yes, 1. A to D, is it possible? No, 0. A to E, is it possible? A to E, no, 0 it is. Yeah, B to A, yes, guys, 1. B to B, 0. C to B to C, B to C, no. B to D, B to D, yes, 1. B to E, yes, 1. Next, C to A, yes, 1. C to A, 1. C to B, no. C to C, 0. Next, C to D, C to D, yes, 1. Next, C to E, no. Next, D2, this is adjacency matrix, guys. Distance is there, directly you can write D to A, 0. D to B, yes. D to C, D to C, yes. D to D, 0, remember. D to E, yes, 1. Final, E to A, what is E to A? No, 0. E to B, yes. E to C, no. E to D, yes. Next, E to E, 0. Yeah, write this, guys. Yeah, it's completed. Next, the same adjacent list, guys. Linked list. Nothing but guys. Tree single linked list. Everything you can write a stack using arrays, stack using linked list. Queue using arrays, queue using linked list. Tree also tree using arrays. Nothing but a 2D arrays, matrices, and tree using single linked list. Okay. Yes, linked list, guys. Yeah, for example, if I take this, how many linked list, guys? 3 linked list we have to create. For example, if you want to create a linked list, yeah, see this. Start from A, guys. See this 5 linked list you have to take. This is A, guys. B, take all the linked list. C, D, and E. Yeah, this is A, B, C, D, E. This is A, guys. B, C, D, and E. Yeah, right. This is A, this is B, C, D, E. Yeah, what is A is connected to what? A is connected to B, A is connected to C. Yeah, directly we can write, guys. A is connected to B, and A is connected to C. Yeah, A is connected to B, A is connected to C. Okay, now A is connected to B and A is connected to C. Now come to B, guys. What is B? B is connected to A, B is connected to D, B is connected to E. Yeah, directly we can write B is connected to D, B is connected to A, B is connected to C. B is connected to A, B is connected to D, B is connected to E. Yeah, this is a graphs representation adjacent list. Yeah, next one, guys. C. What is C? C connected to A, C connected to D. That's all. C connected to A, C connected to D. C connected to A, C connected to D. What is the second field? That is the address, guys. I kept empty, that is address. It is pointing to next node. This is address field. I am representing its address field. That's all. Okay, now this is what last null. Next D. What is D? D connected to B, D connected to C, D connected to E. Yeah, D is connected to, except E, D is connected to all nodes. D is connected to B, D is connected to C, D is connected to E. D is connected to A. Sorry, not A, guys. D is connected to B, D is connected to B, D is connected to C, D is connected to E. Yeah, next E. E is connected to B and E is connected to D. This is a graph representation with the adjacency list, guys. Graph can be represented anything, guys. Stack with arrays, stack with linked list. Queue with arrays, queue with linked list. Same tree with arrays, tree with linked list. Okay, tree with arrays also we can do tree. Same. Graphs also, graphs with arrays, graphs with linked list. Now this is our adjacency list, adjacency matrix. E is connected to what? E is connected to B and E is connected to D. Diagram, guys. Yeah, that's all, guys. Tomorrow DFS and BFS searching in graphs. How to do in the next session we discuss. That's all, guys. Thank you.